It's good to be back. It's not been for lack of effort. I just haven't caught a decent fish in 2 months. You might be thinking, Antonio, this does not look like your kayak. And to that, I would answer, you are correct. We have upgraded the vessel. Today, we're gonna hopefully break her in with the first video on her. It is about 52 degrees. First time that I've been wearing socks to go fishing in 4 months. But I'm excited. Finally some pike weather. So let's get after it. There's tons of fish over here. There we go. There we go. Hell yeah, baby. Okay, simmer. Not really what I was going for. But hey, I'll take it. I will not complain. Look at that. Beauty. Which reminds me, I need to set my net up. Because we don't want that fish to be a pike and not have the net ready. It's not bad. He's gonna flip off. This could be very stupid, but damn, not bad. Not bad at all. Finally, we got a fish. Look at that. Little smallie. Sure, buddy. See ya. Let's go. I don't think you realize how long I've been waiting for another fish. It's been like 6 hours. 5 hours. It's been a while. It has been a while. It is a grind out here. But at least the wind stopped. No longer getting blown around. Holy shit, a fish. Don't really like the jerkbait, do they? Huh. Huh. Okay. Oh my God, that was gross. Death roll, yep. Well, that was terrifying. That's a bass? Why is a bass hitting a 10-inch spinner? What the? Oh, he's digging me. Holy shit. Okay. Apparently, musky spinners catch largemouth. What the? What in the hell? Oh no. Oh, thank God. Wow, that was not even in. Damn. This guy's fat. Oh my God. That's one of the bigger bass I've caught here.